So I'm first going to start off and going in, because I already did my foundation and stuff. I'm going to go in with the Morphe translucent eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to just apply this all over my lid. And I'm going to take my Morphe sponge and just blend that all out on my lid. So now that my primer is all set, I'm going to go in and take my Makeup Shack T70 brush, and I'm going to go in with Creamsicle, which is with this shade right here, Creamsicle. And oh my god, y'all, this palette is so nice, like for real. Oh my god, it's the most, like, it's the prettiest palette I own, honestly. I'm going to place that right above my crease. No, I don't set my eyeshadow primers anymore, because I just feel like the eyeshadows pop way better when the next shade I'm going to be dipping into is this deep burgundy shade right here called JACLYN. God, this looks so pretty. I love burgundy shades like this, always. And I'm about to be placing that directly in my crease. Oh my god, this palette is so, what the hell? This palette is oh my god, it's so good. Okay, this turned out more intense than I thought it would be. Oh my god. Y'all wondering what the fuck I'm doing is trying not to fuck up this eye look. So, you just continue and actually pack more on that brush. So the transition color just got lost. Like, what the fuck? By the way, y'all, this has no fallout. Like, there's nothing on my face at all. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, this looks really. Should I do a cut crease? I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, by the way. I'm gonna do a spotlight. I'm about to take my Makeup Shack T36 brush. I don't know if this is going to mess it up, but I'm about to take, what fucking color is this? Soda Pop. And I'm about to just darken up this a little bit. Oh my god, okay. So I'm about to take, I don't know, I need something else for a pop on this. This color. Firework. I'm about to use that color. See if that pop makes this pop more. Oh, it does. Oh my god, y'all, like the JACLYN Hill palette goes the fuck off. Like, oh my god, like this palette is so freaking nice. Like, look at that. Like, this goes off, like it really does. Like James really said it best. Like, it really does go off. Like, it really does. Oh my god. So well, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to finish the rest of my face and put on lashes, and I'll be right back. And my final verdict of the JACLYN Hill palette is that it's like literally so good. Like if y'all really want a palette, like something that's that you can reach for all the time, like most definitely this look kind of went intense because I am back with my face done. It's been about 2 hours since I've had this on, actually 2 hours. So I'm about to check my eyelid to see if I see any creasing, just in case, which of course I wouldn't expect me to have any creasing anyway. But yeah guys, this palette is super good. Like if y'all looking for a good palette, like that's kind of like, you know, high quality, because this is like the prettiest palette that I own, and I own like several other palettes. Before this one it was my Modern Renaissance. Before this one it was my Modern Renaissance palette, but that's dirty. And this is the prettiest palette that I own so far. And the like on the back, like the back states there are 35 dream colors, and like the back comes with all the shades. So that's how I was like reading. So the colors are printed out on the back. That's how I was really waiting to pick up the JACLYN Hill palette. I could have picked it up last year when it came out, but I wanted to wait until the new packaging came out with the colors on the back instead of coming with that nasty ass slip. But yeah, the colors are literally so good. So I went with this shade right here, Twerk, like on the center of my lid, but it didn't pop as much as I wanted to. So I took this shade right here, which is called Firework, and I put that on there, and which is like, it looks pretty good. Like yeah, so I only went in with a couple of shades. Like I'm probably gonna like draw an X next to each shade because it's kind of cute like how I can do this. I'm probably gonna draw an X next to each shade, like to show like what I used so far and what I didn't use, because there's so many colors in here. And my dear friend King Couture, like he was really right. Like he was saying like this palette is basically like a curse, because like once you pick it up you're not gonna be able to pick, you know, put it down and like reach for any other palette, because the palette is looking better than any other palette I own, honestly. Warm colors, like it's just warm colors, and everyone loves warm colors. And it also has your pop of shit. It also has your pop of colors right here, like, you know, because but yeah, it's really good and it's really worth like your money. Like if you just want a good palette and like you're kind of cheap, this is $39. If you have a job, you can afford $39, what, plus $5.90 something plus shipping, and then you get like a $2 discount if you use a discount code. But I can't really say that because not too many people, you know, can. And I also tried out the Morphe continuous setting spray. It was called the Prep and Set, but I don't know why they changed it. No, they changed it because of MAC. Because MAC had a Prep and Set line. That's why they changed it. Okay, but yeah, it's really good. Like, you know, it's continuous, so it's really good. And I feel like Morphe needs to come out with a foundation. If they came out with a foundation, most definitely, I would definitely buy it because I own a lot of Morphe stuff. All I'm missing, like, in their concealers. I heard their concealers aren't too good as actual concealers, but if they came out with better concealers and foundation, most definitely, and the foundation, I would definitely. I tried to use Alyssa Ashley's code today, which is really weird. I tried to use her code Glow Mama and it didn't go through. That's weird. But I used Jackie Ina's code and it worked fine. I think it's something there. So I guess that's the end of today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video.